Hello dear students, welcome back again to the maths class of Standard 5. In the previous session, you studied a simple way to draw a cube and matchbox play, and we have solved some question of that. Today we are going to start with the practice time. Here is question 1. Make drawings to show how this bridge will look from the top, from the front and from the side. So here we need to make a drawing to show how this bridge will look. From the top means this top part here, this top part, and from the front means this part. So this show the front view, you can see here, and from the side which will look from here. So let us see how will this bridge look like from the top, from the front and from the side. So this bridge will look like this from the top, and make this type of drawing in your notebook. Now let us see how this bridge will look from the side and from the front. So here is the view, this is front view and this is side view. Student, for the answer of the question, make drawings to show how this bridge will look, you have to draw this drawing from the top and then this drawing from the front and from the side. So you have to draw 3 views and 3 drawings from the top, from the front and from the side. Then here question number 2. Make a matchbox model which looks like this. In the previous question, the view was asked and also mentioned to make drawings to show from the top, from the front and from the side. But here the view are given. From the top, how will it look? Like this. Then from the front it will look like this, and from the side it will look like this. So let us make a matchbox model which looks like this. And children, here you can see the deep drawing of the model of the matchbox. So from the top it will look like this, only this top part we can see, this 1, 2 and 3 matchbox. Then from the front view, this is, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 matchbox we can see here, and this only we can see, this part only we can see here. And from the side it will look like this. Here also we can see 4 matchbox, side part of the matchbox 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a deep drawing of the model given in the textbook. So student, you have to do also this deep drawing in your notebook. Now let us move on to the question. Children, here is question number 3. How many cubes are needed to make this interesting model? You can see this model. So how many cubes are needed to make this model? We have to find out this. Let us find out how many cubes are needed to make this model. Student, there are several ways to count the total cubes of this model. Here we are counting column wise and row wise. So here you can see how many total cubes are there vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 into 5. So here we will write 9 into 5. Then in second column 1, 2, 3, 4, and horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 into 7. Then here in third column 1, 2, 3. So 3 into horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5. Then fourth column 1, 2. Horizontally 1, 2, 3. 3. Here 1 and horizontally also 1. So 9 5s are 45, 28, 3 5s are 15, 6 and 1. Now add this whole number. 8 plus 5 13, plus 5 18, plus 6 24, plus 1 25. So here 5 and here 2. So 4 plus 2 6, 7 8 9. So how many cubes are used to make this model? 95. Student, you can count this cube in another way also, but this is easier, that is why I have shown you this method. Other method also I am showing you. Students, here is the another way to count the total cubes of this model. First you have to imagine total how many cubes we need to complete this model to make full cube. If you see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 this, 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So in this part there are 25. Like that 25 one time, then 25 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So 25 5s are 125. So total we need 125 cubes for this model. Need 125 total cubes are there for this model. But here this model is incomplete. Some cubes are missing. So we have to find out these missing cubes here. So total 125 minus here this one row of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one row of 7 is not here. So we have to subtract from total number of cubes, 125 minus 7. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 2 rows of 5 cubes are not there. You can see here 1 and 2. So 5 2s are 10. You can see here 1, 2, 3. So total how many rows of 3 are not there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 3s are 9. Then here 1 cube. And 1 cube of how many rows? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 4s are 4. 4 cubes are missing here. So 125 minus 7 minus 10 minus 9 minus 4 is equal to 95. 95 cubes to make this model. Now proceeding further here. Here question is, here are some drawings of the model. Mark the correct top view drawing with T and the correct side view drawing with S. So here we have to find the top view and side view of this model. Top view we can see here this and this, means we can see this part fully, here, here and here. From the top we can see this full part. So this is the correct option, top view. So we can write here T. Now side view. From the side only we can see these number of cubes only. So this is the side view. So here option A and B are correct. Children, here is the end of this session, and also we are completing chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. I hope you understood this. Try to practice all the questions of this chapter and also write it down in your Maths Fair notebook. Thank you.